In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate the App Store using your iPhone or iPad. It's a straightforward process and will make sure you feel confident finding and downloading apps by the end. So let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to unlock your device. If you're using an iPhone or an iPad, you can do this by pressing the power button or using Face ID or Touch ID if you've set that up on your device. Unlocking your device is the very first step to accessing all the great features it offers. Now, once your device is unlocked, the next thing you'll want to do is locate the App Store icon on your home screen. This icon is easy to spot with its distinctive blue color and the white letter A in a circle. It might be on your first home screen, but if you can't find it straight away, a good tip is to swipe down from the top of your screen to reveal the search bar where you can type App Store to locate it quickly. After you've tapped on the App Store icon, you'll find yourself on the App Store homepage. Here you can discover a variety of apps categorized in different sections. It's a great place to find out what's trending or get recommendations based on your previous downloads. If you have a specific app in mind and want to search for it directly, you should use the Search tab. Look towards the bottom right corner of your screen and you'll see a magnifying glass labeled Search. By tapping on this, you can enter the name of the app you're interested in. It's a quick and efficient way to find exactly what you're looking for without needing to scroll through categories. Once you've entered your search term and found the app you're interested in, tap on it. This action takes you to the app's detailed page where you can learn more about its features, read reviews, and see the app's size. When you're ready to add it to your device, you'll typically see a button that says Get, or shows the price if it's a paid app. Tap on this button and if required, confirm your actions with your Apple ID password, Face ID or Touch ID. The app will begin downloading and you'll soon see it appear on your home screen, and there you have it. That's how you navigate the App Store on an iPhone or iPad. It's truly as simple as unlocking your device, tapping an icon and using the straightforward search and download features. With this guide, you can now easily explore the vast selection of apps available. Thanks for watching and happy app exploring.